Okay, I think you guys are really going to like this next tool. The next tool I'm going to show you is called the patch tool. Come on over, guys. The patch tool takes an area and fixes it. So if you have blemishes or a scar or something that you want to retouch your image with, it will let you do that. So before I start, I'm just going to duplicate my layer so that you can see the before and after. So I'm going to right click, duplicate layer. And if you guys want to do this before you try, I recommend it because then you'll be able to really see the before and after. So the patch tool is the 7th tool down. On yours, it will be the spot healing brush. So you right click, go down to patch tool. And this allows you to draw a circle around an area and then drag it to an area that you're telling the computer it should look like this. So for example, if I start grabbing a blemish. Now the idea is I don't draw a circle just around the red part. I take enough area around it to tell the computer that this is the stuff it should look like, and then drag it to an area. So I'm going to explain that again. You have to make sure that you're paying attention to the lighting. That's the trick. So if we look at the lighting for a second, we've got a shiny spot here. Now the space that I just fixed, it was kind of in the shadowy area, so when I drag it to an area to fix, I need to make sure I'm dragging it to an equally shadowy area. If I drag it up here, it's going to look weird. So I'm going to grab this area and drag it to an area that has like texture and lighting. So the idea when you're choosing a picture is to choose a picture that has good skin to work with. There's some, when you search acne, you might throw up. It's pretty gross. There are some pictures that there's no good skin to work with. So you need to have enough good skin somewhere on the picture to drag to. So I'm just going to start going a lot faster. I could, but if I grab this spot, I need to have a spot that's equal. But you see there at the bottom, it's going to grab the part of her eye. So you have to make sure you have a spot that's big enough. I'm just going to undo that. So this also works with bags under this person's eyes. Now I'm going a bit too fast and I'm being a bit sloppy, but you get the idea. And when I go too fast and grab areas that are too big, you start to have blurred pixels, so the skin starts to have a bit of a fake look to it. So this is the before and the after. So you can, when I do the before and after, you can almost see the blurry edges of the brush where it makes it look unnatural. Okay? You can also use it on bags under the eyes. So what I want you to do is practice the patch tool. Find a picture of a scar, acne, or a tattoo or something and try and fix it so it's not there anymore. The idea is to choose a picture that has good skin to work with.